what's up? I'm going to show you how to play Pero Llano on guitar. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate that. Let's get started. So for this song, you're going to be in standard tuning with your capo on the 4th fret. You'll need 3 chords. You'll need F, E minor, and A minor. How to play F is open, open, 3, 2, 1, 1. For this song, maybe just go open, open, 3, 2, 1, open. Sounds a little darker. So F, E minor, open, 2, 2, open, open, open. And A minor, open, open, 2, 2, 1, open. The strumming pattern is just down, up, rest, down, up, rest, down, down, up, rest, down, up, rest, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, rest, down, down, up, rest, down, up, rest, down. And that's it. If you didn't quite pick it up the first time around, just replay the video. You'll get it.